Welcome, today I'm with Motorola Moto E20 and I'll show you how to turn off auto updates apps. It's so simply, just open the Play Store and for sure you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or to the mobile data. Then click here on the right upper corner, or also you can have that on the left side here. Just tap on that and click to settings. So now tap to the network preferences and here choose the auto update apps. Just tap on that and here you have to switch to don't auto update apps. Just tap on that, click done, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.